it's Megan with WTI, and more often than not, you will find me wearing lipsticks in the nude shade range. But if those shades are sometimes a bit too light, my lips can look kind of blah and dead. So to avoid that happening, I like to use this MAC lip liner in the shade Stripdown. This lip liner is this great natural brownish shade that is not too dark. It applies smoothly and evenly around my lip line to give me great definition. The shade of this lip liner blends great with nude lip shades, and it gives depth to my nude lip looks. Because of the natural tone of this lip liner, another option is to fill my lips in completely with this lip liner and just top it off with a natural gloss. I also find that this lip liner can give the look and illusion of more fullness to my lips. This MAC lip liner in the shade Stripdown really enhances my nude lip looks and just really brings it all together for me. And that's my point of view.